On the morning of August 29, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính, head of the National Steering Committee for COVID-19 Epidemic Prevention and Control, chaired an online conference of the Steering Committee with 1,060 communes, wards and townships in 20 provinces and cities, attending the function at the locations of the government head offices, where the Deputy Heads of the Steering Committee, Deputy Prime Minister Lê Minh Khái, National Assembly Vice Chairman Nguyễn Khắc Định, Deputy Prime Minister Lê Văn Thành, Deputy Prime Minister Vũ Đức Đam, Deputy Head of the Steering Committee attended the conference at Hồ Chí Minh City location. The Prime Minister noted that recently the government has issued official spot number 1099, number 1102 and subsequent instructions on strengthening the implementation of social distancing and measures to prevent the COVID-19 epidemic. In particular, a new point in these publications is the motto of taking communes, wards, towns, factories and enterprises as fortress. Each citizen is a soldier to prevent and control the epidemic. The Prime Minister asked local leaders to formally grasp the instructions of the central government to organize the implementation well. The Prime Minister assigned the Ministry of Information and Communications to direct and urge Viettel and VNPT to immediately propose the work connecting the online conference system to all communes, wards and townships nationwide. In the following days, it must be completed to ensure smooth direction from the central government, Prime Minister, National Steering Committee to each grassroots. Facing the complicated development of the epidemic and the danger and rapid spread of the new virus strain, there are currently 23 localities implementing social distancing according to Directive number 16 of the Prime Minister. From July 19 to the present, only 23 of these localities have recorded over 343,000 new cases, accounting for 84.6% of the whole country. Related to some issues arising in the implementation of social distancing in the past term, especially the issue of goods traffic, Mr. Lê Quang Mạnh, Secretary of Cần Thơ City Party Committee, also analyzed more about the reality happening in the locality in recent days. During the implementation process, the city always prioritized the implementation of anti-epidemic measures as directed by the Prime Minister. From the direction documents and through practical implementation in localities over the past term, as well as opinions of ministries, departments and localities at the meeting and conducting speech, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính appreciates the leadership direction of all levels and the people's consensus sharing, because without the people, it is impossible to effectively implement solutions, but we are not subject to neglect. Especially the Prime Minister directed some issues to focus on in the coming days. Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính believes that the solidarity of the whole party, army and people with the motto, each ward and commune is a fortress, each citizen is a soldier. We will fight against the enemy, the COVID-19 pandemic.